Hello, welcome to Dataset. Today I will show you how to concat Excel files using Pandas. I have scraped this website recently and there were a lot of pages. Here are the data of every page. I got them separately and there are 2051 of them. Let me show you how and why did I do it like this. This is the script that I used to scrape the data, and as you see here is the for loop, and it goes to the every page for 2051 pages, and for every loop I get the data of every page separately because this takes a lot of time to run, and if anything goes wrong, if the program shuts down for any reason, I don't want to start over when I start the program again. I'll just simply, for example, the program shuts down at 1500 page. I'll write here 1500 and start the program from here and still have the data of every page until this 1500th page. But of course, there's a disadvantage. You will face some situation like this at the end, but there's a very simple and easy solution to this. Well, let's take those Excel files and combine them in just one file. Let's create a new Python file. I will name it Excel Concat. Okay, now open the terminal and write pip install pandas. I have already installed it. Okay, and now I'm going to import pandas as PD, and I will also import glob in here. We don't need to install this, it is already in Python package. Okay, uh, let's define a file path, and it will be this Excels folder. I will name it Excels. From Excels, take everything that ends with XLSX extension. Okay. Now let's take those Excel files. File list will be equal to glob. We are going to use glob in here. Glob and put the file path in here. This glob function will return the list of the names of the Excel files in this folder. Okay, now I will create a data frame list and it will be empty for now. Let's start a loop and take those Excel files one by one for file in file list. I'm going to create a data frame for all of them. pd.read Excel, and we are going to put the file name in here that we got from the glob function. Okay, now I'm going to append this to the data frame list that appends the data frame. Okay, now we get the list of the data frames for every Excel file in this data frame list. Now let's concat them into just one data frame. Concat data frame will be equal to df.concat. We are going to use this function here, and I'll paste the data frame list, and we are going to set the ignore index to true. By the way, I didn't show you the content of the Excel files. Let's open one of them. As you see, there are the indexes, and we are not going to use them because I don't want it to start from the 0 for every 30 items. Let's close this because this is why we are setting ignore index to true. Now we have the data frame. Now let's turn it to an Excel file that has all the data. Concat df.toExcel, and I'll just write the name of the Excel file here, results.xlsx. Okay, if we run this, we are going to see the results.xlsx file in here. Let's run this. Okay, we got the results. Let's open it. Let me just zoom in a little to see the data more clearly, and I will extend those columns. to see if we get the data correctly, if we combine the data correctly. I'll scroll down and here are all the data, and there are 61,000 rows in this Excel file. So this little script combined 2051 Excel files into just one. Okay, this was all for this video. This was how to concat Excel files using Pandas. If you like the content, please subscribe to this channel because there will be more data related videos, more web scraping videos. See you.